Y'all got a new system.
We do.
It's kind of a, it does the same thing. We're not really losing anything. All we're losing is your display screen. Let's go over to that.
Sure.
It's a little bit smaller box.
It is. So we call it the Mini, the Attendant Mini. This is a prototype right now. We're looking to have this released by the end of Q2. This is a new system, but all the same features and benefits are still packed into this little box. So it's a little bit smaller than our standard system. Our standard system is more for more, I won't say elaborate, but more features and things like that we can operate. With this system, we're targeting a more residential basic swimming pool that we can get automation on at a better price point. So in this system, instead of 8 relays, you're going to have 2 high voltage relays.
And relays are no longer that important.
We don't need as many as we did back in the
No.
day. And in this case, we're giving you the option maybe to run a light or a spa blower.
Yes.
That's basically, if you're not using PAL lighting, you would need a relay for that. We also give you 2 serial bus ports here so we can communicate with pumps. If you're running PAL lighting, we would communicate with their lighting right there. We give you 2 switch ports, 2 temp sensors, 2 low voltage relays, and 3 actuator ports. And the really nice thing about this Mini is that we also can upgrade this Mini with chemistry as well. So we can run
I didn't
chemistry.
lose any functionality.
You're not losing functionality.
I lost a couple relays.
We're reducing the ports that are inside the box to hit a better price point so that we can go on those pools that are not necessarily high-end pools.
And the price, and we're not going to discuss price, but
It's significantly, it's definitely on target.
even your other unit is very fairly priced.
Absolutely.
The full blown, and y'all don't have a whole lot of like levels.
No, sir,
y'all have your one level that will handle anything,
Pretty
and
much.
now this is the, let's call it budget, but it's
Budget,
really not.
Right. It's really not a budget system, but at the same time, it's built for those pools that don't have all the extra elaborate features and need the extra stuff.
And 3 actuators. If you got pool, spa combo, and a water feater,
You got it covered.
You got it.
Yep, you've got it covered.
And again, now this one does not have a screen, but you Bluetooth to it. Am I understanding that
Well,
right?
Wi-Fi.
Will you Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
You Wi-Fi to it. Looks like it does have a data port where you could upgrade, or if you needed to. Or
We'll never ask you guys to plug in a USB and upgrade. That is actually for us. All right.
Okay,
Now,
come
but
see
check this
what's
out
going on.
though. I'm going to tell you something that is kind of a quirky thing, but in the industry, how many times have service guys been on the phone and their phone dies while they're trying to talk and get support, and they have to run to the truck and plug it in? This is a live USB port that you could charge your phone on. Of course, we would ask that you be talking to us if you're using us to
Well,
charge.
you should sell a new phone charger.
Yeah. Yeah, this expensive automation
Yes,
system.
automation
Inexpensive, let's put it that way.
Phone
for this
charger
one.
with pull control.
Absolutely. You can't beat it, right? Not many places can do that.
But you can do everything you need on the app.
Absolutely.
To set it up, to do your timers. You can see everything that you can see on the.
We did not take away anything from the app at all.
I lost
We
no
didn't take-
functionality.
No, sir. No, sir. We just reduced the size, lessened the ports inside so that we could reach those pools that are maybe not full of extra features.
Right.
And we're really excited to get this one out in the marketplace. I think it's going to be a fun one for us. It's going to open up a lot more avenues.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Wi-Fi for a second.
Yeah.
So our capabilities, just so you're aware, in Wi-Fi, we will communicate with 2.4 gigahertz. We also work with 5 gigahertz. We work with dual band routers.
That's never been a problem in the industry.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're laughing because it certainly isn't. Dual band routers have been giving the industry a problem.
Yes.
And we also work on mesh networks. So we can pretty much communicate with any Wi-Fi without any issue. As long as your phone will connect on the pool pad, our unit will connect on the pool
All right.
pad.
So you still got to have signal. You can't
have to have a
you
Wi-Fi
can't
signal.
have
No, we
weak
can't
Wi-Fi.
not have it.
You may have to do a booster.
Yeah.
But
We can be hardwired also. So we do have a port in
Okay.
there for an Ethernet cable if you need that. So we can be hardwired if necessary. And Wi-Fi is its own animal, right? If you don't have a signal, you just simply don't have a signal.
There's nothing that somebody else is doing that you can't do.
No, sir.
And you go far and beyond on almost every category.
Well-
The number of pumps, the the data you get back from the system. It's not just data in, it's data out.
Right, right.
And I love the system. It's genius. It's going to change the industry. Again, it's the Attendant by Poolside Tech. Y'all, Poolside Tech has only been in the industry
So it's our fourth full season, I believe.
four years.
Yeah, but keep in mind, we're not a new company.
No,
Okay?
no.
We're new in the pool industry.
Yes.
And if you would like that, I can give that to you in a quick short story. But
Well, I think I've told the story before.
Okay, good.
They revolutionized the restaurant industry.
correct.
And sold that company. The owner was having his pool built, and when they showed him the automation, he was like, "You're kidding me! That's all it does." And
He realized there were a lot of opportunities in our industry that were being missed.
Yeah.
He spent a lot of time in R&D because he was one of the big three in his industry,
Yeah.
in industrial automation for restaurants. And so he knew trying to break into a new industry with a new product was going to be challenging.
Yeah.
So he did his due diligence, getting all of that research and development done before we came to market. And when we came to market, a lot of people kind of, new automation, they'll be gone in a year. But we're continuing to grow because of our support and our innovation. The industry is realizing just how far behind they are.
And there's some good companies in this industry.
Absolutely.
You guys are up there with the best of them.
Well, I appreciate
You know,
that.
and
that means a lot.
the support is fantastic. The product is it's superior. That's all we can say about it. It is a better product. And Poolside Tech, guys, the Attendant by Poolside Tech, check it out. You're gonna like it. So, thank you. I
Frank,
appreciate
appreciate
you.
it. Thanks
All
for
right,
having me
take
today.
care.
All right.